Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create chat screen. Now we create chat model. Create file chat model.dart. Write class. And then we write final, write int id, write final, string, create add, write final, string, text, and write final, bool is your message. Write required this ID create add text is your message, add to index.dart, write export, save. Then we open screens, chats, create file chat screen .dart, write class chat screen, extends, status widget, add method build, add constructor, convert status widget to stateful widget, then we add final, chat user model, write user info, add to constructor, then we add variables, write final, write text editing controller, then we write list chat model, write list messages, add init state, add chat model 0, write data time now to string, then we write widget dot user info, last message is your message, we add false, then we add dispose, write text controller dot dispose, then we work with method build, write return, scaffold, write background color, write colors dot white, body, then we add widget save area, add widget column children, and now we add title, write widget dot user info, then we add chat messages, and then we add text input. Then we add tab info. Add import, then we add information, save. Now we open chat screen. Add widget gesture detector. Add parameter on tab. Add navigator dot push. Write material page route. Write return. Add chat screen. Write index. Save. Now we open emulator. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.